Alright, question 4. Which statement supports the suggestion that the type of work undertaken by school leavers is associated with gender? So there has to be an association between type of work and gender here. Now, in the first one, A, 50.9% of those surveyed are male compared to 49% female. There's no association here, so that's out automatically. 30.3% of those surveys entered a trade, while there's nothing talking about males and females here, so that's definitely out. The next one, 35% of the male school leavers entered manual work compared to 15.7% of female school leavers. Yes, so this one here, so we've already taken out 2, so now down to 3. So this one's a maybe at the moment. The next one, 403 school leavers participated in the survey. So what? There's no association here. A similar but small percentage of male and female school leavers undertook professional work. So there is an association, or they're talking about, there might not be an association, but they're talking about male and female and professional work. So they're talking about gender, and the type of work is professional work, so that one's a bit of an iffy one. But let's have a look. Let's double check. 35.1% of male school leavers entered manual work. Let's check it. Manual work was 72 of the 205. So 72 divided by 205 times 100 to give us a percentage. And for the females, the girls, 31 on 198. So you do that one as well. 31 on 198 times 100, and that equals an answer. So if it's 35.1 and 15.7, then we know we're right. So let's punch it into our calculator and have a look. 72 divided by, I'm punching it in at the moment, 205 times 100 will give me 35.1, which is correct, 35.1%. And the next one, 31 on 198 times 100, will also give me 15.7%. So these figures are correct. So that means C is my answer. Now let's see why E isn't the answer. Now in E it says a similar but small percentage of male and female school leavers undertook professional work. Okay, so that means they didn't like professional work, both males and females. So that's around about 4% if you work it out. That's around about 3%, so they are similar, yes, in answer-wise, as in as a percentage. But does it support the suggestion that the type of work that is undertaken by the males and females is because of that? No, well, this doesn't make the suggestion. However, 35 and 15 over here, there's a big gap between the two, so you can sort of say the association is definitely here. There's very little association with gender and type of work in this question, so our answer is definitely C. And there's an easy 4 questions so far for the 2002 exam.